Upgrades Explained. Content upgrades are a lead generation resource that you can use to grow your email list further by offering bonus content to your website visitors. With content upgrades, you can use what people love most, freebies, in return for their email address. A content upgrade could be a cheat sheet, ebook, case study report, audio-video file, etc. The principle of a content upgrade can be broken into 3 steps. 1. Create a valuable piece of content to supplement your blog post. 2. Include an opt-in form for visitors to sign up in exchange for receiving the free content upgrade via email. 3. Place the opt-in form strategically on your blog post for maximum conversion. How to create a content upgrade. Define your audience's problems. To find potential problems that your audience may be looking to solve, here are some questions you may need to answer. What is the content piece about? Who is your audience? What problem does your content address? What solution does your content propose? And what solutions can you offer? Create the bonus content. After determining what problem your audience may be having, it's time to expand on the information you have already started solving through your blog posts or newsletter. This is where detail and analysis come into play. Value your audience's time and make sure that the bonus content you provide is worthwhile for their reading. Choose the form your content upgrade will take. The content upgrade format will depend on your audience, the blog post on which you offer the bonus, and the value you are providing. Create the content upgrade. With everything in place, the next step is to create your bonus content. Design. The design of your content upgrade should be visually appealing. If you don't have the design skills to create a content upgrade, you may hire a designer. Create a landing page. Now that you have created the content upgrade, it's time to deliver it to your readers. This is where a landing page comes in. A landing page is a specific web page that acts as a gateway for your content upgrade. It contains copy and graphics that aim at persuading your audience to provide their email address and get the content upgrade. Where to place your content upgrade on your post. Once you've created your content upgrade, the next step is to determine where on your blog post to place it. There are a few options you can consider. At the introduction of your blog post, at the end of your blog post, in a floating sidebar widget, or on an exit pop-up. Content upgrades are a great way to increase reader engagement and get more subscribers. That just about wraps things up. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.